Oh, big rock.
Big rock, big rock, big rock. I told that I would film it. I told Emmett I'd film it. Hi.
And Jesse.
Hi, Sam.
Why do you not live in Arizona?
Because.
Sam, say hi to Emmett.
Say hi to Emmett.
Hi, Emmett.
It's always a challenge whenever you decide to go camping, but when you have family coming in from out of town during a pandemic, well, it's an extra challenge. We're all bored. I get that. We all want to get out and do things. Silverwood? Not really on the list. Not open, actually. Any number of places. Really not open. I know. We can go to the Snake Pit. And it says it's open. The door's actually open. But they're not actually open for breakfast. So, we just have to make do. Our camping trip consists of starting out in Coeur d'Alene and making our way to Kit Price Campground, which is in the northern panhandle of Idaho.
Did you guys just get here?
Alright. Jess, you want to get in?
Yeah, we ready?
I know.
That won't be a good shot.
Nope.
Okay. I'm always nervous putting the camera underwater.
What?
Say hi. Why'd you say it?
Can we get a rock?
Hi.
No.
No?
You gonna push us?
Emmett, you can go on the back and go up the ramp in the back.
You guys see the deer crossing the river? day 2 of our camping trip, and we're gonna head up to Fern Falls. So we got Aunt Nicole with us. Hi. And Emmett and sleepy cousin Sam. Alright, this is a short hike, and we've never been there, so we'll see what Fern Falls looks like.
There's to be a trail going up there.
Alright, we're in Wallace, Idaho at the Sierra Silver Mine Tour. Our tour starts at 4. We have a bit of time. We're gonna wander around their shop, see what they got. Yeah. I love the names. Emmett, back here with us. Emmett.
4. Which 4?
And
Oh,
there's
and
4.
8. There we
So
go.
8.
Okay, it's like, wait, well, who's or what's or? Alrighty.
I'm going for pickle salt. Okay, I'll sit with you, Helene. You can have fun?
Oh, yeah. Cousin Spot.
Town was founded in 1880 by a man named Colonel William Wallace. Well, it turns out he wasn't really a colonel. Also turns out the money he tried to buy the land with was deemed invalid, so he was a shady guy. Well, 6 years later, somebody forgot to sweep the chimney. Resultant chimney fire burnt the entire business district to the ground. It was like a wooden frontier town back in the day, so it was like matchsticks, just woof, everything went.
Well, the mine tour was engaging. We really enjoyed it. It was rather short, but somehow we managed not to film anything inside. Just have some of these still pictures.
I was like, is that battery saving again? I I know.
The new chicken.
I'm trying to do it. Did you see? I poked. Good job, Reese.
In 2015, the grizzly fire came through and burnt out this whole cedar grove. A lot of them did okay, but then you can kind of see a lot succumb to the fire.
Dad, Reese.
Someone's not camera shy.
And before we knew it, the time was over, and it was time for our family to head back to Arizona. We look forward to seeing you next time, and maybe we'll have you along then.